Hi, my name is Daisy Garcia and I am your Director of Financial Aid here at Odessa College. This year we will be making a change in how we award students their financial aid package. All students now have to log on to their Wrangler Portal and accept their financial aid package. To accept your financial aid package, please log on to your Wrangler Portal and sign in using your user ID and your password. Once you have logged into your Wrangler Portal, please click on the Financial Aid tab. After clicking on the Financial Aid tab, it will bring up all of your awards for the school year. You will click on the yellow section that's highlighted that says Action Needed, Review and Accept Your Financial Aid Award Package. You will click on each award the Accept or Decline option. Once you have clicked Accept, this will automatically update our system to show you as awarded. This is how you will now accept your financial aid package. Please remember you have to go in and accept in order to receive your financial aid for the school year.